Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can find the jobs that you have applied on LinkedIn. Let me show you how you can find your applied jobs. Let's get started. Once you are logged into your LinkedIn account, here on the top bar you can see there's the third option for the jobs. Just click on this one. And here on the left bar you can see there's an option for my jobs. Just click on this. And here you can see there's an heading for my jobs. And you can see this is the job that I have applied 3 minutes ago on the image content producer. So that's how you can find the applied jobs on LinkedIn. Let me show you another example. I'm going to search for the job. I'm going to apply on this one. I'm going to search for the easy apply. I'll be applying on this job. Just click on easy apply. I'll upload my resume and click on next. And after applying on the job, let's find the job. Just click on jobs and now go to my jobs. And here you can find your applied jobs in LinkedIn. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.